In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted pages on Notion. If you've ever accidentally deleted a page in Notion, or removed something and then realized you still needed it, don't worry. Notion has a built-in trash area that makes it really simple to bring those pages back. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to find your deleted pages and how to restore them step by step. First, open Notion on your computer. You can do this in your web browser or in the desktop app. The process is the same in both. Once Notion is open, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. This is your sidebar, where you normally see your workspace, your pages, and your favorites. Near the bottom of that sidebar, you'll see an option labeled Trash. It might be a little lower than your usual pages, so you may need to scroll down if you have a lot of content in your workspace. Go ahead and click on Trash. This is where Notion stores any pages you've deleted instead of removing them permanently right away. After you click on Trash, you'll see a list of deleted pages and items. These are organized similarly to how your pages look in the main workspace, so you can scan through the titles to find what you're looking for. Take a moment to carefully check the names and, if needed, click on a deleted page to preview its contents. This is useful if you're not entirely sure which version you want to recover. Once you've found the page you want to bring back, look for the restore icon next to it. This icon usually appears to the right of the page name when you hover your mouse over it. Click on that restore icon. As soon as you do, Notion will move that page out of the trash and place it back into your workspace. The restored page will typically return to the location it was in before you deleted it, so check the original area or search for the page title if you can't see it immediately. You can use the search bar at the top of the sidebar to find it quickly. That's all there is to it. By clicking on the trash in the lower left and then using the restore icon beside the deleted page, you can easily recover content you thought was gone. This simple habit can save you a lot of time and stress whenever you remove something by mistake.